Yeah, so you know what? That's a good question. The eligibility to file a claim does not expire, but what I would say is the effective dates can actually either expire or move. And I'll give you a couple of examples. So if a service member separates, let's say a service member does not file a claim before they separate, right? Let's say they separate January 1st. Um, they don't file a claim until let's say June 1st, because they're within that 12-month window of post separation. That effective date is actually going to go back to when they separate. So that's good for compensation purposes and benefits purposes. Let's say, and we've all seen this. So let's say a person separates January 1st and they don't decide to file a claim for another year or 2 years. What will happen is they will file the claim and then the effective date will go to that date. So let's say I separate January 1st, 2025. I don't file a claim until March 1st, 2026, which is about 15 months later. That effective date would be March 1st of 2026. But what I will say is what a person potentially does if they wait too long, particularly past that 12-month separation, they could potentially limit some of the effective dates or some of the service connected disabilities because they've gone past that effective date period. So it is always encouraged for service members to file that claim at least within that first year of post separation. But the expiration date doesn't go away. It can become a little bit more difficult for a claim to be, I would say, service connected.